Welcome to JH. Choosing the right trading platform can make or break your game, or at least determine how quickly you lose your lunch money. Today, we're putting MashTrader and MT5 head-to-head to see which one actually deserves your attention. MashTrader is the new kid on the block focusing on simplicity, built for traders who want clean tools without the usual digital horde of clutter. You can trade Forex, commodities, and crypto all in one place without needing a PhD in rocket science. The interface is actually understandable, allowing you to start fast on your phone, tablet, or computer, so you're never tied to one device. If you're new to this world, MashTrader won't confuse you with a million buttons you'll probably never press anyway. Then we have MT5, the heavyweight champion that's been around since 2010 and is used by millions, mostly by people who enjoy staring at complex charts until their eyes bleed. This platform gives you serious power, offering over 80 technical indicators and 21 different time frames to analyze every single corner of the market. MT5 supports stocks, futures, and Forex, plus it includes a built-in strategy tester, so you can see if your brilliant ideas actually work before you risk your actual rent money. If you're serious about trading and have the patience of a saint, MT5 has everything you could possibly need. So, what's the big difference here? MashTrader wins on ease of use, letting you jump in without reading a manual the size of a Tolstoy novel. MT5 wins on pure muscle and features, offering way more tools for technical analysis and total customization. While MashTrader focuses mainly on Forex and derivatives, MT5 handles a much wider variety of assets. Both platforms support automated trading, but MT5 gives you significantly more control to build custom strategies for your future robot overlords. The bottom line is simple. If you're just starting out or want something quick and clean, MashTrader is your best bet. But if you're an experienced trader who needs advanced tools and wants to trade multiple asset types, MT5 is the clear winner. Neither is perfect for everyone, so pick the one that matches your skill level and try not to go broke. That's MashTrader versus MT5. Choose wisely. Happy trading, and don't forget to like and subscribe unless you're too busy staring at Japanese candlesticks. See you next time.